Did you know about the mighty health benefits of oregano? Picture this, a garden herb, unassuming yet potent. Oregano, teeming with antioxidants, is a true hero, fearlessly defending our cells from damage. Yes, indeed, oregano, a small herb with a massive antioxidant punch. Oregano doesn't just taste good, it also combats inflammation. Blessed with natural compounds, oregano helps to subdue inflammation, providing relief for conditions like arthritis. It's like having a mini green superhero in your herb garden or spice rack. Oregano, your natural ally against inflammation. Need an immunity boost? Oregano has got you covered. This mighty herb is bursting with antimicrobial properties, arming your body against harmful infections. Think of it as your immune system's personal bodyguard, ever ready to protect. Oregano, your immune system's best friend. Oregano also plays a tune for your gut health. This mighty herb aids digestion, creating a soothing symphony for stomach troubles. It can help reduce the discomfort of bloating and indigestion, making for a harmonious gut environment. Oregano, harmonizing your gut health. Oregano isn't just for the gut, it's also for the heart. This powerhouse herb may help to lower cholesterol and blood pressure, effectively promoting a healthier heart. So let's toast to oregano, our heart's new best friend. Oregano, a heart-healthy herb. Oregano, a mighty warrior against harmful bacteria. This robust herb doesn't just add flavor to your dishes, it's also a powerful ally in the battle for wellness, combating detrimental bacteria and contributing to a healthier you. Oregano, your shield against harmful bacteria. Oregano, a formidable foe for fungal infections. This mighty herb doesn't just add flavor to your dishes, but also combats pesky fungi, such as candida. It's a natural solution contributing to a balanced internal ecosystem. Oregano, keeping fungi at bay. Oregano, a breath of fresh air for respiratory issues. This mighty herb works wonders, soothing coughs and easing the discomfort of asthma. Its calming properties open up airways for clearer, more comfortable breathing. Oregano for clear and easy breathing. Adding oregano to your dishes is as easy as it gets. With a sprinkle here or a dash there, this mighty herb effortlessly enhances your meals, infusing them with a robust flavor and a multitude of health benefits. Oregano, a flavorful boost to your health. So what's the takeaway? Oregano isn't just a flavorful herb to spice up your dishes. It's a mighty powerhouse of health benefits. It's an antioxidant hero, inflammation tamer, and immune booster. It promotes gut harmony, supports heart health, and is a bacteria basher and fungal fighter. This humble herb can even soothe respiratory issues, helping you breathe easy. All these benefits are tucked into this tiny herb, ready to be unleashed in your next meal. Discover the flavorful benefits of oregano for a healthier you.